Hi, I'm Lou, and today I'm going to show you a few ways to fix a coffee maker that's running slowly. First, you could have a clogged input water screen. To test this, you should put a piece of tape right above your water level, like this, and make a cup of coffee. If it's working properly, the pump should run for about 20 seconds and the water should drop by about 1 inch. If yours is taking way longer than that, you might have a clogged input filter. Your tank won't have this, so you can ignore it. I actually built an automatic water filler that keeps my tank filled all the time. I'll post a link to that video in the description if you're interested. But what we really need to do is get off that metal filter right in there. And you do that by removing those 3 screws. When you take it out, it looks like this. It may be really dirty, as mine was. But once you clean it, you should be able to see through it like this. If your input side is working okay, you may have a clog on the output side. First of all, take out this cup. Squeeze right here and the bottom will pop off. And stick a paper clip down in here to make sure this needle is clean. This is the needle that punctures the bottom of the coffee pod. If cleaning that bottom needle didn't help, there's 2 things you can do on top. So the first thing you can do is go inside here and you'll find that this upper needle has 3 holes, and you can clean them out with a paper clip right there and 2 on the back side. If that doesn't work for you, the next step is to take out these 2 screws with a screwdriver. With those 2 screws out, and admittedly somewhat of a struggle, this will actually come off. With the top off, you may find that your problem is right here. Sometimes a lot of calcium will build up in this elbow and you have to take it off and clean it. There's a hard plastic ring right here that you can pull up with a screwdriver. And then with a little bit of wiggling, you can pull this rubber tube completely off. If it's got calcium in there, just reach in with the paper clip, clean it out, and put it all back together. And as you can see, I'm running just fine now. Thanks for watching and good luck fixing your coffee maker.